Hey Sandy, what's up? What are you running away for?
I was a little scared.
What are you up to today?
These guys made me do it.
You guys throwing out of the plane today?
Yes.
Yeah, we are.
Any special occasion why?
Stupid.
Because
Stupid.
it's Friday the
Did you?
13th.
There you go. Awesome. At least you didn't lose a bet or anything like that.
No, it wasn't a bet. It was just kind of a bucket list. Let's.
Hope it's not the last thing on your bucket list.
It's the first thing. So
Awesome. I'm glad you got plenty to go
if
there.
I'm done now, then I guess I crossed one off. Kind of.
Do you have anything to say to your family and friends that might be watching this DVD?
I don't know.
We all
I
good?
don't know.
Any secrets you want to share just in case?
Nothing.
Nothing. Wow, it's
Nothing.
taking it to the grave. Have fun, enjoy your skydive. I'll see you in the plane. Woo. Okay, line up, guys. Yeah! What'd you think?
That was freaking awesome.
See, wasn't that scary, right? So how did Paul do?
He did amazing. I just couldn't breathe for the first while.
Are you gonna do it again?
I will.
Awesome.
Yes.
Thanks for coming out to see us tomorrow.
Thank you.